detail and rinse-free car wash by Level Finish with the added protection of PTFE. It's got anti-static technology. You can be able to lift and emulsify the dirt to get a really quick and easy rinse-free car wash. So let's go ahead and get that. So you're going to take it, you're going to spread it over even. You don't want it to run or drip down. And you want to make sure you get over into an area where that your towel doesn't pick up dry dirt. You want to get it wet. I'm going to use 2 towels. It's a lot easier. I'm going to work myself in one direction. You can see the dirt. And it's so smooth. That anti-static technology with added emulsifiers just makes it so easy just to lift this dirt off. It stays wet long. It just softens that dirt up. Now if you have some stubborn areas you didn't quite get everything off, go ahead and do a little rub. Try to rub in that same type of direction. Now I like to use a second towel so I don't have my dirt mushing into it. And then I just buff it off. And that creates a nice glossy shine and removes any excess residue. And make sure that PTFE is worked into that paint. Not looking too bad at all. Quick detail, rinse-free car wash with PTFE is also great for your rims, your tires. It takes, it emulsifies dirt, softens up the brake dust, and then puts that PTFE protection on there and gives it that nice slick gloss for lasting durability. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Clean up this filthy rim. We're gonna go ahead and spray this down. We're gonna go and spray down the rim. We can get a little bit more saturation than we normally do car paint, just because it's a lot dirtier. Take a dirty towel, because now not something with chips or rocks or anything like that, but when it's already dirty, because let's face it, this is really dirty in comparison. Take and wipe down the body of it, get as much off there as we can. You see how easy that works? Clean it up. I mean, at home, it'd be extremely easy to rinse this off. You know, if you had a hose, you could definitely do that, but the whole idea here is a rinse-free wash. Do it in your garage. Now, look how dirty that is. It's filthy. I'll take a little groove tool here, spray into it, then give it another quick little spray. We'll go ahead and get the corners out, the lug nuts out. Now this is also a good time if you had a air hose or something that had some air pressure. You could go through and get these cleaned up pretty quickly. Like that. We'll allow this out with an air, some sort of forced air. Got those air blasters that are out there. Okay, so loosened a lot of that up. Now I'm going to take my cleaner towel, just wipe out all the excess. This is just a quick, easy way to maintain your rims, get them nice and clean, without all the soap, without all the water. And you can see that it does a good job cleaning up even some really heavy grime. And we've added in some protection on it as well, which will get rid of the dust. Got that anti-static. So you're not just going to have dust coming right back to it. And there you go. Look at that guy.